Okay, so after running the Meteor command, it wasn't working because somehow I copied this code and I pasted it over here at the this one. It was here at the beginning. I don't know how that happened. So what I did was I cut it in. I cut the part we pasted over here and I put it back in the main.js. And after that, what would happen was when you loaded this, when you went over here, the only thing you would see was homepage, and you would not see this loading file list. And the reason behind that is because we should have gone to homepage and we should add the import for the component we created, which is file upload. So we import the component with this line, and we add the component over here in the return method for the React, for the what we're doing. So after that, we can see it now shows us this loading file list, which means it's not working entirely right now, because it will stay like this forever. And the reason behind that is because we have not, like, if we want to see the reason why it stays there forever is because, look, you can find that message over here. That message is presented when in this else, and this else happens when there are no files, like, not when there's no files, when you have files is undefined in your props, and when your document is not ready. So what we're missing is we have to create here in API, we have to create another file that manages our collection, because if you can see over here in our with tracker, we are trying to subscribe from this, which we have not created yet, and we are trying to use this user files, which is this we have created, which is the file system. So now we will create the new component. We can call it files.js. So let's just call it files.js. Files.js. Okay, we create the new component, and here is what we should have in that component. It is this one. And let's copy that. Okay, to files, and we paste it over here. Okay. So what this does is it uses Meteor's subscribe and publish. You can see it. So it creates this method which will find all files. This imports user files, which is the collection we created. So by doing user files.find, it can find all the files we have in our file system. And right here in the methods, I created one method called remove file, and as I created that one, you can create more of them, like rename file and such and such. If you want to know how to create more of these, you have to check the wiki. Like, what I did was I went here to the wiki and I searched for remove, and then I would enter this one which says you can remove files from collection. So you just enter here and you can find code that tells you how to remove. So here, for a removal, you have to do your collection.remove and pass an object which has an ID and the ID which you want to remove, right? So what I did was that, and I just implemented it in the method. So the method is called